Good morning for everyone. I'm Jesus Javier Caicedo. Um, Today I'm going to show my lesson plan according to activity guide. Um, my full name is Jesus Javier Caicedo. The topic for today, I want to show the lifestyle, adjectives, and for this class, the student going to be to respond a basic question in the classroom in basic lifestyle and good habit for a long life. Do before to die. In introduction for this topic, studying a movie scene called the backlist. Lesson description. Through this movie, students will be able to do a backlist. They will understand that the expression backlist in the American culture means this people plan to do before to die. And warming up, the teacher we will start teach some vocabulary as a student about the lifestyle through some key expression in the second language. They will start thinking the question what the best lifestyle using a vocabulary belong writing down the idea and vocabulary always a healthy diet, exercise, low stress. Developing activity. After the student watch the movie scene, the learning will make grow a file and start creating their grow basket list. They will use imperative and simple present tense such as climb, go to the rock concert, and so forth. As soon as they finish writing, they will share the list. They will pick out the reporter to leader to represent each row, who will go on passing by group, sharing her group list, and another one who goes group by group, asking about the backlinks. Assessment. The assignment for this class is going to be summative. The teacher evaluated the performances through communication skill, such as listening, speaking, and the use of grammar. And formative is another way to do assessment. She and her encouraged them to participate actively in and feel responsible at the all learning process, working in the previous knowledge to build a new one. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.